Good morning, team. Today, I want to discuss the importance of proper handling and disposal of personal protective equipment, PPE. This includes items like gloves, masks, gowns, and goggles.
I understand, Dr. Mihira. PPE is crucial for protecting ourselves and our patients from infections.
Exactly. Improper handling of PPE can lead to the spread of germs and increase the risk of healthcare-associated infections. It's essential to follow proper procedures for putting on, wearing, and removing PPE.
Are there any specific guidelines we should follow?
Yes, we have established protocols for the use of PPE. These protocols outline the appropriate PPE for different situations and the correct procedures for handling and disposing of items.
Dr. Mihira, what should we do if we accidentally come into contact with a contaminated item?
If you come into contact with a contaminated item, immediately wash your hands with soap and water. Report the incident to your supervisor so that appropriate measures can be taken.
Mihira, thank you for coming in today. I wanted to take a moment to talk with you about caring for your wound. I know you've been under a lot of stress lately, so please feel free to ask me to clarify anything at all. The most important thing is to keep the area around your wound clean and dry. You can gently wash it with a mild soap and water as advised, but be sure to pat it completely dry afterward. If your dressing ever gets wet or dirty, it's really important to change it right away to a fresh, clean one. Also, try your best to protect the wound from any bumps or knocks and allow yourself some rest, as your body needs energy to heal properly. Keep an eye out for any signs that it might not be healing well, like increasing redness, swelling, warmth, any discharge, or if you start to feel feverish. If you notice any of these, please let us know immediately. Now, alongside that external care, what you eat can truly make a big difference in how quickly and effectively your body repairs itself. Think of it like giving your body the building blocks it needs. Ensuring you get enough protein is vital. Things like lean meats, eggs, fish, pulses, and dairy products help your body build new tissues. Also, certain vitamins, especially vitamin C and vitamin A, play a huge role in healing and boosting your immune system. You can find these in citrus fruits, leafy green vegetables, and carrots. And finally, staying well hydrated is incredibly important. Drinking plenty of water helps transport all those vital nutrients to the wound site and supports overall cell function. I know this might seem like a lot of information, especially with everything else you're dealing with. Please don't hesitate to tell me if anything feels unclear or if you have any questions or concerns at all about your wound care or diet. I'm here to help.